cake? You're gonna eat cake? Whoa, yeah. Yeah, you're gonna eat cake? You can get some water on your forehead? Huh? Say hi, Mommy. Yeah. Hi, Mommy.
They call him before, yeah?
Huh?
Oh.
Taylor, you being chatty today?
Yeah. Talk to Mommy. Yeah. Yeah. Talk. Say hi, Mommy. Today's a big day. Yeah.
I think there was a hi mommy somewhere in there. Isn't that right?
Say yes, Taylor. Yes, Mom.
You looking at the pink polka
I
dots?
see the pink polka dots. Yeah.
That's right. This means you got to be extra cute.
Super cute.
Yeah.
Clamps up now.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, she's mesmerized now.
Now she's...
Good show, kid. Good show.
That was very good, Taylor.